Hey guys, welcome back to another Fibers in the Wind vlog. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. We post vlogs, product reviews, crochet tutorials for some of my patterns, and tips and tricks for becoming a better crocheter. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more fun content. Today we are doing another crochet vlog, vlog number 2 in the series. I'm trying to get better at vlogging, so let's just get straight into the video. Let me just show you what we got. This is the beautiful yarn we are working with today. If you would like to purchase some of this yarn, it is I Love This Cotton, a Hobby Lobby brand, and it is in the color Bright. Also, if you have been interested in trying this yarn, but you're not really sure and you'd like some feedback, go check out my latest video, which is a product review on this yarn. You can get the inside scoop on do I love the yarn, do I hate the yarn, what's great about the yarn, and all things that you need to know to make your purchasing decision and to decide whether or not you want to buy this yarn. So go check out my latest video, which is a product review for this yarn. And yeah, these are the two cakes that I have, and today we are going to be designing a pattern for a bag that I'm making. Also, if you guys saw any of my posts or seen my other vlogs, you'll know that I'm working on a pattern for a crochet tank top that is still being done and in the works. I'm just tweaking it still and redoing it. I actually have it here. Let me show you. We're just retweaking it and doing some more work relating to it. So that I'm taking a break from because it's a lot of brain work. This is a bag, so it's not going to be that much brain work. This yarn is gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous this yarn is. So I thought you could just hang out with me while I crochet. There might be some redoing and undoing because again I'm designing a pattern, so I'm not following a specific idea. I have an idea in my head of what I want, but I have nothing to reference. So follow along as I crochet. I don't know why it's kind of dark on camera, but this is what the pattern is looking like. So I am just gonna continue working the pattern and I guess doing this, and then I will show you once we have some progress made. I did forget to mention I'm using an I 5.5mm hook. I am using I Love This Cotton by Hobby Lobby in the color Bright. And this is what it looks like. Very, very beautiful. And I am doing 2 strands. So I am doing 2 yarn cakes that I wound up, knotted them together, slip knotted them together, and doing 2 strands to make it denser and thicker. And again, if you wanted a more smaller, denser bag, you could use a smaller hook. But I wanted to use this hook size because it's new. I just bought it because I had this hook originally, misplaced it, I don't know how long ago, and finally, after missing it for over a year, I decided that I was going to repurchase it. I have the whole set of these, so I've used this exact one before. I guess, misplaced it. So that's what I'm working on for the bag pattern. Hey guys, we are back. It is the very next day. I just got done with work. My hair is totally crazy. Let me know if you like the sound quality of what you're hearing compared to what you'll hear in other clips, because I'm not so sure I'm happy with my microphone. So let me know if you like my phone audio better or if you prefer the microphone. And yeah, we're just gonna go to Subway and we're gonna get some food. So let's walk over to Subway. It's literally right across the street, so never really good sandwiches. I'm just grabbing a sandwich. So let's go over to Subway and get some food. And then later, of course, we're gonna crochet. For now, we're gonna go to Subway and get some food. I just made it to Subway, guys. Here we are. I just made it to Subway, and I'm about to go in and order some food. You can see the trees behind me. I'm using my audio from my phone so that we can determine which one's better. Because if my phone audio is better, then I'm probably just going to switch to my phone audio. But anyways, I'm going in and I'm going to place my order. And yeah, it's going to be delicious. Hey guys, it's the next day. We are at the park. It is very beautiful out today. I'm not using my mic because I want y'all's opinion on whether the audio coming from my phone is better quality or whether the audio from my mic is better quality. I do know that the mic does block out more of the background noises around me, and so you'll hear more background noises around me when I'm using my phone, but I already know that going into it. I just want to know like the actual quality that the phone is picking up, like what's the audio quality excluding the background noise. So if y'all could let me know in the comments. So there'll be some video clips that'll have my microphone's audio, and then other video clips that will just have me talking straight into my phone's mic. So I know that the phone does not block out background noise like the mic does, but I'm wondering if the audio quality is at least better from my phone. Also, don't you like the video quality? This phone is amazing for video quality. So today we got my water. I also got the snacks. If you've never tried these, they're the Doritos Dynamite basically. And they're like Takis, but they're like a little bit thinner. They're like half the thickness of the Takis. And they're really, really good. If you've never tried these, you gotta try these. It's delicious. And then today, we're working on our project. We are using the I Love This Cotton in the color Brights. It actually looks nicer on camera than in real life for some reason right now. It's like enhancing the colors. Colors are not really that bright in real life. It's kind of more tie-dye-y, if you will, because they're like splotchy. They have like little, kind of like white running through it with like little splotches. There's areas where the color is more solid, and then areas where the color is more splotchy and it's more light. And I already have 2 of them in yarn cake. And then I'm working on a new bag pattern. This is what we're working on, and today, that is what we're doing. So I figured that's what we should work on today. Also, I'm probably going to go live in a little bit, so that's the thing. So that is what we got going on. Also, I always have this with me. So yeah, that's definitely what we got going on, and I'm just enjoying how it's working out. I am using 2 yarns together. That's why I brought 2 more, because I don't know how much of the 2 of the cakes it's gonna, like I don't know how much of the 2 cakes that I have that this one piece is gonna use, because I don't know how big we're gonna make it. So it's gonna be like a circle bag, so 2 circles put together. I already named this bag pattern already. Stay tuned for a tutorial on my channel at some point for this. Also, I am still working on the tank top. I'm just revising it and perfecting it before I do the video tutorial. That one is a little bit trickier because there's a lot more like sizing critiques you have to make, and it has to fit because it's a garment. This was a bag pattern for like a purse, so the only way I can mess it up is if I do it in a way that I don't like. Other than that, there's no size requirements, and I don't know how large I'm going to make it, but this is how much of the yarn cake that we have left. Oh look! These like little reddish, brownish, orangish leaves on the screen. It's all curled up, but look how pretty. It's so pretty, look. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like a slight breeze, but it's not too cold. If you guys have been around for a while, you know this hat very well. I didn't wear the matching shirt today because I wanted something a little warmer. Some of the t-shirt, because I wasn't sure how cold it was going to be here. Because at the park or the beach, it's usually 5 to 10 degrees colder than it is everywhere else. And I say that because this park actually has a beach, like an actual ocean beach. And so you get that breeze off the ocean. So even though this park is, I think, like what, 10 acres, I think that it's still a lot colder because it's technically also a beach. So anyways, I'm just gonna work on this, and I think that's what we're gonna be doing today. This is what the back looks like. This is what the front looks like, and I'm just gonna stop when I feel it looks big enough. I haven't decided how big I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be a cute purse. It's gonna be seamed. The seam's gonna be on the outside. I'm thinking of doing like a strap and then having like tassels on the front, like having tassels hang down here on one panel and then same on the other panel. If I like it and if I decide it goes well with the design. So that's kind of my design idea. Anyways, I love it. It's beautiful, and that's what we're gonna do today. And I'm just looking around because it's so nice. And yeah, I love it. Probably go live in a little bit. Eat some of my snackies. I just tried these for the first time. I didn't know Doritos made kind of like a Takis. They look just like Takis, except for they are kind of thinner. A very similar texture to a Takis. So if you like Doritos and you like a little bit of a spicier kick, these are good. I will say they kind of have an aftertaste of lime. I personally would have liked a slightly stronger note of lime flavor because the spicy flavor of the chip itself kind of overpowers the lime, and you get kind of an aftertaste of lime, and I like lime, so maybe if you got a little bit of a lime flavor in the beginning and at the end, it would help balance it out a little more, but I think they're really good. And you get a good amount in this little bag because they're thinner than regular Takis. Because they're not the same brand. They're a Doritos brand. But yeah, if you haven't checked these out, highly recommend them if you like Takis. Just something similar. Also, such a beautiful day. You can hear the birds chirping. It's just great. So anyways, I'm just gonna, I guess, work on this. And I don't know, maybe I'll film some video of me working on it. Well, it is Saturday. The last time I filmed was yesterday, and I meant to close out the vlog yesterday, but I didn't close out the vlog. So this is me closing out the vlog currently right now. I'm gonna go edit this video. I'm gonna go upload, and then you guys should be seeing this vlog on Monday morning at 11 a.m. So stay tuned for that. I am going to be uploading it as our premiere, so hoping you guys get notified Sunday, which will be tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notify me button when the premiere goes up on YouTube. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.